Now, although they're called currencies, not all cryptocurrencies are actually destined to be used as money. There's going to be many more purposes. So as a blanket rule, I would not say that Bitcoin will become the new digital money. However, I can see a day when one of the other cryptocurrencies that is more focused on that purpose, of the purpose of being digital money, will come into play and become very popular as an alternate form of payment. Imagine if you're traveling internationally and you don't have to exchange your dollars for euros, for pounds, for anything else, and that you have a stable common currency, like Litecoin, for example, which is one of the candidates for use as currency going forward. So if you had Litecoin, you could price something in Litecoin in any country, wherever you go, and you wouldn't have to exchange the currency. So there's certainly advantages to this, and over time, we're going to see more and more use of cryptos as money.